mukhang aabot to ng 10 out of 10. Pero tignan natin. Buong resume niya is single column yung layout. So mababasa to ng mga ATS and makakarating sa recruiter yung resume niya. Tandaan, most companies, machine muna yung nagbabasa ng resume bago makarating sa recruiter. Kasi sa thousands or hundreds of applicants, wala silang time para mag-filter niyan. So machine yung nagpi-filter through keywords. And talo ka na agad kung hindi single column yung resume mo. Kasi sa technology ngayon, wala pang 100% reliable and accurate na machine na kaya magbasa ng more than single column. Tamo, try nyo i-copy-paste yung contents ng resume nyo pag gawang Canva lang. Then i-paste nyo sa Microsoft Word, jumbled yung content niya. O kaya ipabasa nyo kay AI. May words dyan na magkakasama-sama or jumbled yung content. Okay, balik tayo sa resume niya. First, work experience entry niya. Kompleto lahat ng bullets. So, merong strong action verb, responsibility, tsaka result. So, lahat ng to, strong action verb, and then responsibilities, nilista niya. And then, merong result. So, ensuring accurate financial reporting, maintaining operational integrity, ensuring continuity of financial operations. So, lahat ng yon is an example of result. So, check na siya agad sa unang experience. Dito rin, so, kompleto rin siya. Meron siyang strong action verb, responsibility, tsaka result, enhancing the team's financial reporting accuracy. Then dito, manage, attain, ensured. Strong action verbs lahat. And then may responsibilities. Okay, and then check natin yung last two. So, strong action verbs. Okay, responsibility. Okay, may result. Okay, this is a perfect example of a good resume. Bibigyan kita ng 10 out of 10. Kung mag-nitpick lang ako, very tiny lang. Siguro babawasan mo to, yung summary mo. Masyado siyang mahaba. I would stick to 1 to 2 sentences lang, max. Pero still, 10 out of 10 pa rin. So, syempre, may mga magko-comment na naman dyan. Wala yun sa resume, sa interview yan, sa content yan. E paano nga makakarating sa interview? Kung yung resume mo, na-filter out na ng machine. Machine muna bago recruiter. Kaya nga may mga multiple screenings, di ba? Tapos may magko-comment rin dyan. Hindi ko na kailangan yan. Backer lang kailangan. Anyways, 10 out of 10. Good luck sa inyong lahat. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.